Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to see your archive posts on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you like this video, just make sure you have subscribed to this channel to don't miss the latest video in the future. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and after that come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at these three dots. Let me show it to you clearly. These, just simply tap on it like in this way and tap at activity log like in this way. That's where you can easily get your archive option. Just simply tap on it, and here you'll find all of your archive. Here you can see that what you have archived recently or like whenever. So if you want to move them or if you want to unarchive them, just simply select them like in this way, or you can select them all at once. Just simply tap at restore and tap restore to continue. If you want to move them to trash, you can also move them by tapping this trash option and tap at move trash to continue. That's how you can easily move this post to trash, or you can unarchive them. So that's how you can easily see you are or find your archive post on Facebook. So I will help you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.